The report said the toxic spill following the fire, which burned for 11 days, was extensive. Residents had to endure the stench of burning chemicals long after the incident. Experts said the situation can still be regarded as an emergency. The warehouse is said to have stored tons of agrochemical pesticides and toxic chemicals. A leaked report of more than 1,600 chemicals stored pointed to hazardous substances and liquids. The spill caused major environmental damage to the river, the estuaries, beaches and coastal environment near Mhlanga, north of Durban. Beaches along the stretch of the coast remain closed. The report found that if the warehouse had complied with environmental regulations, it would have been defined as a major hazard institution. And if it had complied with municipal regulations, better emergency measures to contain any spill would have been in place. UPL also failed to divulge a full inventory of hazardous toxins it had on its premises.
The authorization should have been obtained from the KwaZulu-Natal Department of Economic Development, Tourism and Environmental Affairs. In addition, UPL had not obtained a critical assessment or planning permissions from the eThekwini Metropolitan Municipality in terms of the Occupational Health and Safety Act and the relevant municipal bylaws.
Creecy said an independent team of investigators comprising environmental management inspectors from both the national and provincial departments have initiated a criminal investigation in terms of the Criminal Procedure Act.
This investigation is being undertaken in line with the Criminal Procedure Act and involves the collection of evidence, including sampling of, amongst others, sand, water, fish and plants, to determine criminal liability in relation to the harm that has been caused to the environment.
The report says the air quality in the vicinity has improved. However, the threat to human health remains a grave concern. Authorities have been tasked with placing a mobile clinic to assist the nearby community.
We are worried that even if people had a few coughs and sniffles at the time when the event happened, what did ingesting these things mean for their health in the longer term? And that's why we are going to be taking this random blood and urine sampling and checking babies that are born and so on, so that we can give certainty to the community as to what are the health impact, the longer term health impacts, if there are going to be longer term health impacts.
So far, 13,000 tons of contaminated solids and 23.4 million litres of contaminated liquids have been removed from the UPL site and the environment below it. Jade Paulser, SABC News, Durban.